Chef Anthony, so excited to bring you this. I'm on the XO pizza oven. I'm gonna make a nice traditional cheese pizza at about 850 degrees of wood-fired goodness. So, without further ado, I'll take my dough. I have it lightly floured. Just gonna press down, really start the process. Just bring it out, stretch it with my hands here. You know, make sure a nice thin dough. Gonna work your dough a little bit. Give it a quick toss. That's really all I want to do. That's it. Keep it nice and easy. Little sauce, okay? A little bit of Italian seasoning in here and a little bit of garlic. Nice and simple. It's kind of the way I like it for these wood-fired because the flavor is really in some good ingredients, but it's really the XO wood-fired really makes it super nice. So, little cheese. Perfection. All right. Let's talk peels. 2 peels. Flat one here. This is the kind of the shovel. This is what we take it on and off with. The turner does all of the work. This was the one that we rotate with. Really helps everything out. This is always the toughest part. Nice and easy. So do that. We'll just rotate our pizza just to make sure it fits on the peel and we get a good slide off. So our wood in the back is centered a little bit on the left, a little bit on the right, just so we get an even heat from each side. So picture heat on this side, all coming up over that dome. Really, it's really gonna bubble this cheese, create that good crust, and make our pizza flawless. In we go. Nice and easy, a quick drag there. Let's clean the deck. Notice that it's already coming up, so we see that bubbling of the crust. Now we just wait a few seconds. That's really where we're gonna introduce our turner right here. And just like that, make sure. See how we rotate that? Just really slide it back. But that looks amazing already. See the crust puffing up? Give it that rotate. Look at that crust, already puffing up very nicely. That's what we like to see. Melted cheese, great crust. All right, easiest part of my job here, nice great pizza. Here's what we want to check for. Hear that crisp crust on all sides, very evenly cooked. This is a winner. A few minutes in your XO pizza oven, lights out, wood fired. Enjoy this one. Thank you.